My warmest greetings to all as I welcome you to the conference Beyond Intelligence, AI for a Changing Planet, with the theme AI's Role in Solving Challenges, organized by the Institute for Educational Research and Publication, this October 26 to 27, 2024, at the beautiful city of Beijing, China. I would like to invite esteemed leaders, academicians, and researchers in this enriching conference where we will learn multidisciplinary research and tackles initiatives in advancing sustainable development goals towards a more progressive world. Don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Again, my warmest welcome to you all.